Welcome to Questrade. In this video, we'll be going through and explaining the Time and Sales widget on your Edge Desktop app. The Time and Sales widget allows you to see the trades that have occurred throughout the day for a specific stock or option you're interested in, updating in real time. If you do not currently have Edge Desktop installed on your computer, please see the link in the description below to download it. To get started, simply open Edge Desktop and log in with your Questrade account. Stocks displayed are for illustrative purposes only. Once you've logged in, look to the top row of icons. It's here you'll find the Time and Sales icon. When opened, the window will be relatively small, but you can easily adjust and resize this to suit your preference. Next, use the search toolbar in the upper left hand of the window to find the security you're interested in seeing the time and sales data for. Note, depending on the security, you may need a streaming data package. You can subscribe to a market data package through Questrade.com by following the link provided in the app window. Once you enter the security you're interested in, you'll be presented with a list of all its most recent sales, updating in real time. The information shown includes the time of each transaction that took place, the price of the transaction, the total number of sales in the transaction, the name of the exchange used for the transaction, and finally, the condition or differences between the current bid or ask price and the actual buy or sell price. With all of this together, you can gain insight into the larger sales trends of any given security. We hope you found this video helpful. For more informative videos on how to navigate your Questrade Edge Desktop, please check out the other videos on our YouTube channel.